Hello children, there's another song for you. Okay, now listen carefully. Okay. Peter works with one hammer, one hammer. Peter works with one hammer this fine day. Peter works with two hammers, two hammers. Peter works with two hammers this fine day. Peter works with three hammers. Peter works with three hammers this fine day. Peter works with four hammers. Peter works with four hammers this fine day. Peter works with five hammers. Peter works with five hammers this fine day. Peter's very tired. Peter's very tired this fine day. Let's say Peter up again. Let's say Peter up again this fine day.